Hey, it's your TechEdit here. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the server lag in Valheim. So let's cut to talk and get started. So the first thing that we can do is to modify the Valheim's configuration DLL file on the server computer or the host computer, which by default limits the upload speed connection of a host computer to 64 kbps per connected user in the game. We're going to need to download first dnSpy tool, which will allow us to make the necessary changes. So let's now go to our desktop, and now that we are on our desktop, simply go ahead and open up our web browser and then go to this link which I'll be posting on the description. Go ahead and download the corresponding file depending on your computer. So if you're using the Windows 64-bit version, simply go ahead and download the win64.zip. However, if you're using the 32-bit version of Windows, simply go ahead and select the win32.zip. It will go ahead and start the download. Since I am using the win64 version, I'm just going to download the dnspy-net-win64.zip and just going to cancel this download since I already downloaded this one a while ago. And then we can now go ahead and just simply minimize this one as of the moment. Next, go ahead and open up Steam. Simply go to your desktop or your start menu and open up Steam and log in your account. And once you are already logged in, simply go to the games and click on the view games library. Right click on the Valheim game and simply click on the manage and click on the browse local files. Go ahead and minimize Steam as of the moment, and you should be taken to the directory of your game or the Valheim. However, if you're taken simply to the Steam folder, simply go to the Steam apps and go to common and locate the Valheim folder, and you'll be able to see all these files right here. However, the file that we are going to modify is located on the Valheim_data, so simply go ahead and open up that folder and go to the manage folder, and we are able to see all these DLL files right here. We're going to modify simply the assembly_valheim.dll using the dnSpy tool that we have just downloaded a while ago. So go ahead and open up the zip file which we have just opened a while ago, and then go back to your desktop and create a folder or any folder where we could extract the files from that particular zip file that we have downloaded a while ago. Simply drag and drop that one on that particular folder, and you'll be shown with these kinds of files on your folder. We can now go ahead and close this zip file right here, and we can now go ahead and open the dnspy.exe file. Go ahead and minimize this folder, and you should be shown with this kind of window right here. You can go ahead and go back to the Valheim_data manage folder. Just simply drag and drop the assembly_valheim.dll file on the dnSpy tool. And then go ahead and expand this one, and then expand this double bracket right here. And we're going to click on the search button right here, and we're going to search for m_data per sec. Just wait few seconds and you should be able to see the result, and it would point to the Zayduman library. Go ahead and double click this one to locate that particular integer or variable on the configuration file. And what this configuration or integer represents is the data cap which will be set on the server and the client. So right now it's only set to 61,440, which is around 60 to 64 kbps of data transfer per user. Just a short explanation, this basically means that each connected user in the game will be capped to receive up to 64 kbps of data from the server. However, this configuration is basically the lowest setting, and we can double or triple the setting depending on your bandwidth to further improve and reduce lags while hosting a server. So in order for us to be able to edit this one, simply go ahead and double click this one and right click and click on the edit class. And you're now going to be able to edit that particular configuration file. So again, make sure that you are doing this particular configuration on the server computer or where the game will be hosted. So if you are on the server or the game host computer, we are going to set this one to double its current value. We're going to set this one to 122,880, and then go ahead and click the compile button right here, and then make sure to go to the file and hit the save module. Simply hit the OK button, and it will apply that particular change on that DLL file. And then go ahead and close this particular window and go ahead and try rerunning the server and see if that would further improve or fix the lag that you are experiencing while playing Valheim on multiplayer. Now that it is done, the next solution that we can do to fix Valheim's multiplayer lag is to make sure that our firewall is not blocking the game. So to do so, simply go back to our desktop and go ahead and close this folder right here, and then go ahead and close all the folders that we have just opened a while ago. And then go to the start menu and look for Windows Firewall. Go ahead and open up the Windows Defender Firewall and then click on the allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall, and then click on this change setting right here. Click on the allow another app, and then go ahead and open up again the Steam and right click on the Valheim, click on the manage and go to the browse local files. And again, if you are taken to the game directory, that's where you need to be. However, if you are just taken to the Steam folder, simply go to the Steam apps and go to common folder and open up the Valheim directory. Go ahead and click on the address bar. It will select all the text that's in here. Simply go ahead and right click and click on the copy option. We can now go ahead and minimize this window and go back to Windows Firewall. Go ahead and click on the browse button and just simply paste that particular copied text on the address bar and hit this forward button. You'll be taken now to the directory of Valheim. Simply locate the valheim.exe and just simply click on the open option. Once done, it will add the valheim.exe on the add an app window. Simply hit the add button and then make sure that it is enabled on the private and public networks, and make sure that that particular rule is enabled on this leftmost portion of this window. So once done, simply hit the OK button and close this window, and hopefully that would again fix the issue on your end. So hopefully you gained something on this video. Feel free to leave your comments and feedbacks as to whether you're able to fix Valheim's multiplayer lag or issue. Let me know if you did, or should you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll try to help you out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that like and subscribe button and bell notification to get updated with the latest tech talks on this channel. It's your Tech Edit here. See you in my next videos.